Hello friends, I'm Sagnik and you're watching Cyber Sagnik Tricks YouTube channel. So today I will show you that how to install DARKFLY in TERMUX. So watch till end you will able to understand because all comment in this video. Basically DARKFLY is the cyber security working tool of TERMUX. Okay, so watch till end you will able to understand. So before watching this video, if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest tricks and share my YouTube channel to everybody. Okay, so without time waste, let's start the video. So before start you have to type first pkg update and pkg upgrade, then enter. It could take a time, maybe I'm pausing the video because it may take long. So look, as you can see here, it's installed. Now I have to type here pkg install kit and if you get any problem, kindly please comment. Okay, please comments in the comments, because comment section is on, then I will understand what is the problem. Now what you have to type, git clone, then you have to paste the link. Okay, this DARKFLY tool, then enter. Okay, after that you have to type simple ls. Now I have to type here cd DARKFLY tool. Okay, you have to paste here. Okay, after that ls. Okay, now I have to type python to install .py. Okay, after that it will install it. And if you get error while installing python or python 2, you have to kindly install pkg install python or python 2. Okay, then it will work, otherwise not work. Okay, so you have to install, then it will work again. Okay, so I hope you understand this video. Okay, so if you love this video, please like this video. Okay, and share with your friends. Okay, so thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel for latest cyber security tricks. Bye.